What are the formats that create a viral video for Instagram and Facebook? First, I have 70k followers in my Instagram, and I grew up to 60k followers within 3 months, and people copy my content and also blow up, which is Boost Fusion videos. But when I copied 30 million viewed viral video, I couldn't get quite good views. And no, it's not because mics were bad. I have a skill and I know how to extract 90% identical AI videos from other viral AI videos. So it's not a matter of having a bad content. And this channel that I copied was actually one of my followers who watches my tutorial videos and uses my prompt to create his videos. So I went deep into the hole to find out why his videos got so many views and find out the truth.
So these are the 4 essentials that creates great content with potential of going viral. Use a viral format. Mix it up with S-tier popular characters. Make a twist in the plot or extremely comedic, visually stunning, or make people confused whether this is AI or real. But this creator and his videos do not match any of the above, and it has repetitive action sequence and actions, which doesn't really make sense of why his Japanese theater videos got over 1 million views each time, even 10 million views and 30 million views. If it were just 100k, I wouldn't make this video. But simple, repetitive actions with nothing much to see, videos are getting over 1 million views, has some mystery in it. And after testing it out, breaking down his prompts, recreating similar identical videos like his, which in the SNS field, those identical videos must at least get 100k if his videos were trendy and viral. But my videos only was able to get 20 to 30k views. And my videos, I'm telling you, are extremely identical as you can see, because I know how to extract prompts and copy AI video very highly identically, which trims down the account blow up conclusion to 2 factors. No offense, I'm just being very analytical, rational, and after I tested it all out by myself, so I am not trying to disapprove his work. Let me just put this out there first, okay? So, the 2 reasons for an IG account with nothing much special to see getting average of 1 million views are: 1 is the seasonal boost that creators get. This is not official, but after monetizing in YouTube and IG by myself, in this media content platforms, there is this seasonal boost that each creators get, which I have experienced it from all the platforms that I have monetized. So that is why consistency is also very important, because you never know when the boost is going to come to you, and your channel will then have a chance to blow up and get tons of followers. 2 is, this is almost 90% accurate, IG Instagram likes collaboration, and this guy collaborates with 5 accounts, and there is 1 account which is identical to his first original account, where now he is collaborating with 9 accounts. So 5 collaborators with 1 million views, let's do the math, equals to 200k each collaborators, which is actually not that many for each creators. But when you add them up and leave the video in your IG grid and pin it, people may think you did all the work to get that many views and you are a super professional. So eventually, you are using multiple chances to show one video to other people by collaborating. And this one is not yet official as well, but let's say if you create new 4 accounts and collaborate with them, you may also get this many views as well. This one, I'm not sure because I haven't tested out yet, but that's how he's growing his channel. So it seems like a good way to gather views, not only by collaborating with your multiple accounts, but if you have some people you can team up and you want many views and followers, you should try it and give it a try, like this creator. So, alright, thanks for watching. Wish you guys good luck, and cheers.
Thank you for watching David's AI Mastery.